In this video I'm going to show you how you can record the audio on Audacity, and more so how you can improve the voice recording quality. The first thing first is that you need to download and install the Audacity software. The Audacity software you would see on the top toolbar. This is a red button, which means that you can start the audio recording by just clicking this one, and as I'm speaking my voice is being recorded. So once you have completed your recording, you can stop the audio recording by clicking this stop button, and that's how you will have an audio recording on your Audacity software. But I have already recorded a audio for my YouTube video, so I'm just going to bring that audio file into Audacity, and I'm going to show you how you can improve the voice quality. So I'm just going to close this file, click file, open, and browse that file. Now I have this audio recording file with me. I'm just going to first of all select the audio file, and the way to select is that you need to click somewhere over here, and you would see that your audio file background from gray would turn to white, which means that now your audio file has been selected. I'll go to the effects and I'll change the pitch, as I have a heavy voice, so I change it to by 5% and click OK. And once I'm done, I'm again going to go to the effects and then go to equalization, and from here select the bass boost, and you can tweak with the values. You can increase or decrease, but I'm just going to keep it at a default 9 dBs, and I'm just going to click OK. And I'll do it one more time. I'll increase the bass boost twice, and now again go back to the equalization, and this time select the treble boost and click OK. Now the audio quality has improved, but as you can see that in the blank spaces we have a lot of noise, so we need to remove the noise. So the method to remove the noise is that select an area of your audio file where there is no sound other than the noise, like here, and then go to the effect, go to the noise reduction and click get noise profile. So it is going to get the noise profile, which means that it is going to detect everything which is here in the selected format as a noise. Now go and select the whole file by clicking the left bar, and then go to the effect, noise reduction, and then click OK. Now the noise has been removed. The last thing which you should do is go to the effects, select limiter, and then click OK. This will chop off any extremely loud portion of the voice. So once you are done, go to the file and click export, and I generally like to export in a .wav file, and press save, and your file will be exported. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.